It's done. We paid somebody to build it, but we have the Yardistry 12 by 16 gazebo here. I'm going to show you around. This thing is amazing. We're going to put a hot tub underneath here. We're doing some backyard renovation, and we chose this 12 by 16 because it's big enough to put a huge hot tub under. Let me show you some of the detail. So this is the 12 by 16 Yardistry Meridian gazebo. It's a hardtop gazebo with big old fat. I mean, look at these things. This thing is stout. It's got a tin roof. Busted. It's been, we went ahead and we poured a slab and we anchored it down to the slab. So if you're looking to do that, that's the way to go, I think, for something this large. The hardware on it was amazing. Everything fit exactly how it's supposed to fit. It went up like a breeze. It took them all of maybe 3 hours to do it for him and two dudes. It's a beautiful gazebo. Looking forward to having the hot tub under here. Look at this thing. We're gonna hang a fan. It's got the cross beams right here. We can put a fan here. We can actually use that for a little bit of storage space if we want. You can see that there's little eye bolts up there for hanging things. So this is the factory color. We're not going to paint it actually. I think we're going to leave it this color. It looks pretty good. The stain and the wash on it is, I mean, it looks really, really good. The rooftop on it is tin roofed, metal rooftop. Huge beams. I think they're 6x9 beams. Super stable. I mean, the whole thing is just hefty. Overall, for a pre-built, I wouldn't do it any other way. That is probably the way to go. Rather than building one yourself, it had all the pieces, all the hardware, everything included, and it went up like a breeze. So this is going to really tie in our backyard so we can get the hot tub under there. Man, steam season.